Hi, my name is Tara Paley, and I'm one of Lauren Hardy's students for the Virtual Wholesaling class. I took her class in August of 2020, so I've been doing this for almost a couple years now. And I live in Southern California, where it was very hard for me to find properties to purchase, one, because of the expense, but then also it just was so competitive with other investors trying to acquire the properties. So I needed to do something in other markets. So I found Lauren's class, and it has been a lifesaver. This past year in 2021, I want to say I made about $90,000 to $100,000 in assignment fees, and I do it part-time because I have two young children. So I just devote some of the time during the day when they're in school, and it has just been, it's been a roller coaster. I'm not going to say that it's the easiest to make that much. It took me a good 6 months to 9 months to really kind of find my groove, find what works for me, find a good partner in the markets. But once I started working, continuing to have, when I would struggle, I would always go back to Lauren's notes and class videos and see where maybe there was a misstep and see where I could make some changes, and it was just such a great guideline, and the course was easy to understand, and she lists everything that you need, from the different softwares to the scripts and how to put an ad out for a boots on the ground person, that it just was very easy for me to follow, and I just wouldn't have been able to be where I am now without all her input and help. And she was always around if you posted something or asked or emailed. I even went down to her office one time in Newport Beach, and she was able to help a few of us in person, so that was amazing. And so right now, because I took her class and I've been doing this for about almost 2 years, I'm now in a position where I am able to buy and hold properties, so I'm building my portfolio. And really the only reason I'm able to do that is because I took her class and learned how to acquire these properties at such a discount, because I'm able to now purchase them at a low price and hold them and rent them out for a profit. So it's really been a life changer for me, because during COVID, my consulting business went under, and so I needed to find something, and this has definitely helped me and my family out. So thank you, Lauren, so much. I recommend the class to anyone who's interested in getting into wholesaling.